So for today, we're gonna buy a 50 card hanger box exclusive and a 20 card Topps Heritage baseball. And yeah, we'll show you guys the pack opening in a little bit. Yo, what's up guys? It's Jared here at Target. We're gonna pick out some baseball cards, and yeah, I'll show you which ones we get. Welcome back to Tool Play Sports Cards. Today we're having a pack opening, and we have a box and a pack to open.
Today we're opening up a 2020 Donruss hanger box and a Heritage value pack.
Jackson behind the camera filming this one.
Let's get right into this thing.
Do some heat.
If you want to pause the video to look at the odds, here they are. And
Check it out.
flip the back here. And here are our cards. Alex Bregman on top.
That's what we like to see.
Love to see it.
And it's a little tough though. Alright.
Nothing we can't handle though.
I think we can.
So, okay. Bregman on top there. Then we got a Luis Castillo, Buster Posey, Willie Calhoun, Trey Turner, Charlie Blackmon, Eugenio Suarez, Hyun-Jin Ryu, Frankie Lindor, Corey Seager, Ozzie Albies, Kevin Biggio, Lorenzo Cain, and a Miguel Cabrera relic. Miguel Cabrera relic. That's a pretty cool card there.
Is that a uniform?
Yeah, that's a bit of a uniform there. It's got a little bit of a crease in it. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be there or not, but
Get somebody out of that.
Trent Grisham, Christian Yelich Diamond Kings, and here is a Ronald Acuna Jr. nickname card. Because they don't have the rights, they kind of just have to come up with their own thing, so they use nicknames. Matt Tice rated rookie, Pete Alonso, Man of Steel, Ricky Henderson, Aaron Judge, Patrick Sandoval rated rookie, Bryce Harper, Clayton Kershaw, AJ Puck rated rookie, Javier Baez Diamond Kings, the Degrominator.
He's a good one.
And here is a cool card, Bryce Harper. And our orange hollows are Max Muncy, Elvis Andrus, Brian Anderson, and a throwback card, Darryl Strawberry, a Zach Gallen rated rookie. That's a good one there. Fernando Tatis Diamond Kings, now playing Gavin Lux. Now playing Aristides Aquino. That's a cool one there. Manny Machado, Marco Gonzalez, Trey Mancini, Ronald Acuna Jr. normal card, Eddie Rosario, Yandy Diaz, Mitch Garver, and our throwbacks are rookie Edwin Diaz, Kevin Mitchell, Ricky Henderson, Dale Murphy, Josh Rojas, Aaron Savali, and Yu Chang rookie. So there's the Donruss.
Alright, now to the small pack. So here, James, you can introduce.
Alright. We have a CJ Crone off the top here with a Whit Merrifield.
Are these all autographed?
No. Colby Allard, Zach Davies, Robinson Cano, Renato Nunez, Byron Buxton, Orlando Arcia, Patrick Corbin, and New Age Performers Jack Flaherty. Rookie Stars National League Trent Grisham, Mauricio Dubon, NLAL Marvel, and whatever, I don't know what his name. Dylan Bundy, Cesar Hernandez, Adam Plutko, Brandon Workman, RBI leaders, Rafael Devers, 2020 rookie stars, Puck, Seth Brown, and Jesus Luzardo, and a Nick Markakis. So I guess we'll go through and look at the high number short prints, see if we have any out of here, or an action variant. The New Age Performers. So no short print, but we did get the Rookie Stars A's card. That's probably the best card out of the value pack there, but
These two.
the Miguel Cabrera Relic is a nice card, and the Zach Gallen Hollow Rookie is also pretty nice. So that's the pack opening. Be sure to stay tuned for more and check out our Instagram. We're doing a giveaway on there. 200 followers. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube, follow our Instagram, like that photo. Just do as much as you can to get noticed by us. Make sure you send us proof that you subscribe to us. Have a good day. And
Yeah.